Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Mr. Keshav Shyam Pakare, Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Ravrane Art Commerce Science College, Vaibhavadi. Today we will see Unit number 1, Chapter number 2, Lecture number 8, Molecular Orbital Theory. In this video, we will cover the topic Energy Level Diagram for Polyatomic Molecules. Example is beryllium dihydride molecule. In polyatomic molecule, we have already seen the example of H3 and H3 plus species in previous videos, but in this video we will see the beryllium hydride molecule. Beryllium hydride molecule has molecular formula BeH2 and it has point group D infinity H. BeH2, that means beryllium hydride dihydride, is a linear molecule and it has D infinity H symmetry. The electronic configuration of the combining atoms are beryllium, which is having atomic number 4 and its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p raised to 0, and that of hydrogen has atomic number 1 and its electronic configuration is 1s2. Therefore, we may form the molecular orbitals for BeH2 molecule by using the 2s and 2p valence orbitals of, and the 1 is atomic orbital of the two hydrogen atoms HA and HB. For this purpose, axis will be chosen is the molecular as shown in figure 15. Here at the center there is a beryllium atom and two hydrogens, that is HA and HB, are the peripheral hydrogen atoms. The Z axis is passing through these three atoms, that means beryllium and two hydrogen atoms. Therefore, this is the principal axis as chosen for the symmetry operation. So this diagram showing the coordinates of BH2 molecule. The remaining coordinates are, that is x and y axis, are also shown here. Now the axis used and the hydrogen atom group orbitals are given below. On the basis of the linear combination of atomic orbital method, the two 1s orbital of two peripheral hydrogen atoms combine to form two group orbitals. One consisting of 1s orbital with same sign of wave function, that means 1s orbital of HA and another orbital of hydrogen HB with same sign plus plus, they are combined together by addition of atomic orbitals forms sigma Girard, that is Psi1 ligand group orbital, and by addition of atomic orbital Psi1 and the other with wave function of different sign, that means negative sign, that is by subtraction of atomic orbitals forms Psi2. This may be shown as follow. So we have already seen by addition of atomic orbitals, two hydrogens combines to form Psi1 orbital, and by subtraction of atomic orbitals, that is 1s orbital of HA minus 1s orbital of HB combines to form Psi2 orbital, that is sigma Girard. So the equation Psi1 is equal to Psi1s plus Psi1s, and another equation forms Psi2 is equal to Psi1s minus Psi1s. On the basis of symmetry adopted linear combinations, the group orbitals Psi1 and Psi2 with matching orbitals of the central atom of beryllium as shown in figure 16. So this is the figure 16. A, the orbital of the central beryllium atom. This is the figure A showing the central orbitals of central beryllium atom. Here are four orbitals, 2s, 2pz, 2px and 2py, and the B group orbitals, that means Psi1 and Psi2. These are the ligand group orbitals. So in A and B there are matching symmetrical orbitals are psi 1 is combined with 2s atomic orbital of the beryllium, and psi 2 ligand group orbital is combined with 2pz atomic orbital of the beryllium atom. But no matching group orbitals for the 2px and 2py atomic orbital of the beryllium. Same point is given here. 2s orbital of beryllium atom combines with the group orbital psi 1 and forms two molecular orbitals. One is bonding, that is sigma s, and other is sigma s star. Similarly, 2pz orbital of beryllium atom combines with the group orbital psi 2 and forms one bonding sigma z and one antibonding molecular orbital sigma z star. Thus, in molecule, totally 4 delocalized molecular orbitals are formed, 2 bonding and 2 antibonding. Next point, all the molecular orbitals are 2px pi ungeared, x non-bonding, and 2py pi ungeared, y non-bonding of beryllium atom do not take part in bonding as they are perpendicular to molecular z-axis, and there are no suitable group orbitals for combination. Now we can see here the psi 2s orbital of beryllium combines with the psi 1 group orbital. It forms one bonding and one antibonding molecular orbital. This is the bonding molecular orbital, this is the antibonding molecular orbital. In above point we have already seen the bonding molecular orbital is denoted by sigma s and antibonding molecular orbital is denoted by sigma s star. So these two orbitals are formed by the addition and subtraction of orbitals. So here sigma s, that is bonding molecular orbital, is formed by the psi 2s orbital of beryllium plus ligand group orbitals of two hydrogen atom, that is H1 and H2, and the antibonding molecular orbital is formed by the subtraction of psi 2s orbital of beryllium minus ligand group orbitals H1 and H2. Similarly, psi 2pz orbital of beryllium combines with the psi 2 group orbital. By addition, it forms bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma pz, as shown here, sigma pz. The equation forms psi 2pz of beryllium plus ligand group orbitals of hydrogen, that is H1 and H2, and another antibonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star pz. It forms by subtraction, that is sigma 2pz orbital of beryllium minus ligand group orbitals of H1 and H2. So total 4 molecular orbitals are formed by the combination of 2 beryllium atomic orbitals with 2 ligand group orbitals. But 2px and 2py atomic orbitals of beryllium remains as it is because they cannot take part into the formation of molecular orbitals because of the unavailability of the ligand group orbitals. Next point, as hydrogen atom is more electronegative than beryllium, its orbital are lower in energy. This point we can explain with the help of this diagram. This is the molecular orbital diagram of BeH2 molecule. According to this point, these are the atomic orbitals of hydrogen atom as shown on my right hand side of this diagram, and the atomic orbitals of beryllium are shown on my left hand side of this diagram. So atomic orbitals of beryllium are 2s and 2p. Out of these orbitals, 2s orbital is filled with 2 electron and the 2 hydrogen atom each having 1 unpaired electron. They combine form ligand group orbitals, that is Psi1 and Psi2, and at the middle of this diagram there are molecular orbitals which are formed by the combination of atomic orbitals of beryllium and ligand group orbitals of hydrogen. So in this diagram we can see here the energy of the hydrogen atom is lower as compared to the energy of 2s and 2p atomic orbital of the beryllium, because hydrogen is more electronegative as compared to the beryllium. In BH2 molecule, the available valence electrons are 4, that is 2 from beryllium atom and 2 from the 2 hydrogen atoms. These 4 electrons occupies sigma s and sigma z bonding molecular orbitals. We can see here this is the sigma s molecular orbital and sigma z molecular orbital. These are the bonding molecular orbital which occupies the 4 electrons, 2 from the beryllium and 2 electrons from the ligand group orbitals of the hydrogen atom. The other molecular orbitals are left vacant. Therefore, 2 pairs of bonding electrons are delocalized over 3 atoms. We can see here these are the antibonding molecular orbitals and these are the non-bonding molecular orbitals which are empty. Therefore, the 2 pairs of bonding electrons are delocalized over 3 atoms. Next point, the electronic configuration of beryllium dihydride therefore can be written as sigma s raised to 2 and sigma z raised to 2, that is sigma s raised to 2 and sigma z raised to 2. These are the electrons which shown at the top of this orbital. Next point is, in BH2 molecule, all the electrons in the molecular orbitals are paired. Hence, it is diamagnetic molecule. So, the magnetic nature is diamagnetic. Therefore, there are in all 8 valence electrons, 6 contributed by the central atom of the beryllium, and 2 by the 2 hydrogen atoms. So this is all about the molecular orbital diagram of BeH2 molecule. Thank you.